Most families live in houses, but we live in a double-decker bus.
We're a family of 7, living life a little differently.
This is 7 in a bus.
Welcome back to the channel, hope you're having a great week. A Wednesday upload for you for this one. We're currently parked up in Rotherham, and the town centre is currently undergoing a lot of modernisation, I would say. So obviously Forge Island, where we're walking now, used to be Tesco's many years ago when I was a kid. But in town today, near the church, they've got their winter light weekend. Not too sure what's going on, but we've parked the bus up just outside town in our park up for the next couple of days. And the kids and me and Nicole, obviously Edie, are going to head into town and see what's going on.
Over this bridge.
There's some slides here and there, probably should be checking the slides out, but they're very wet.
The bridge isn't that slow.
So you just stopped raining, hasn't it? Let's go and see what we can find.
Cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
It's not that cold.
Here it is.
That's the church. It's a lovely church here in Rotherham.
Yeah, there is.
Right, let's have a walk up here, see what we can find. Oh, they've got some lights on the church, look. So first up's the Century bus of Luna straight in there. It's just like a mini bus, it's got loads of Century bits inside, it's really cool. The queue's gone inside, so let's have a look. Wow, look at this, Luna. How cool is that? What you got, Luna? Yeah?
I wish I could have one of these and pay for that one. Pay
What did you think to the Century bus, Luna?
Good.
Yeah? You got you got a certificate that you've been in there? Right. Let's go and have a look in here. It's the Imperial Marks. I've not been in here for years. Let's go and have a look. What are you making, Poppy?
Shake.
A shaker. What's this one do then?
This one's not working.
Hold on, let's have a look. Gonna try and make some music. It's all digital music in here.
It's not working.
Need to figure out how to make it work somewhere. What are you doing, Phoebe? So we're just queuing to go into the church to see what's inside there.
One missing baby.
I'm missing, tiny babies.
Not Sonny. Look at that. Didn't think there's any picture.
See you later, but in the wrong.
Go and have a look in the church. Okay, Pops? Wow.
It's very nice and warm.
Yeah. We're now trying the Solent Disco. Phoebe's bumped into some school friends. It's meant to be a silent disco and they're all singing.
It's definitely karaoke.
It's like karaoke.
No, it's not.
It technically is.
It sounds like karaoke from out here. So that was Rotherham's Winter Lights Festival. They were really good, very small. We've been here a good hour and a bit, and it's just nice to get out of the house, out of the bus for a bit. It's really good to see Rotherham trying to do different things to bring people together. You've had a good time, haven't you?
Yeah.
So it's been really good. So we're just walking back to the van. It's a bit chilly. We're going to go home. Heating's been on all day, so it'll be nice and toasty, and go and have some tea. So that's it. I'll see you on the next one.